What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video is an update on more stocks I bought. I told you if the market want to sell off, then I'm going shopping, guys. And so I want to make sure that I keep you in the loop so that you know the plays that your boy is adding more to or currently buying. Hey, guys, but listen, if I helped y'all in any way, but I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on this journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, I'm back again, but before I jump into this video, I want to give a special birthday shout out to my girl Shauna. Shauna, we had an excellent coaching call today, and I told you I would shout you out and show you some love. So please send my love to the kids as well as to you on your birthday, okay? Listen, guys, I'm gonna always love on you guys and celebrate you through it all, okay? And that's what it's all about with me. Listen, today I want to share with you a few things, okay? I got an article that I want you to read. I'm going to show you what the shorts are doing to a lot of plays in the stock market, not just ours, but just the stock market in general. And I want you guys to go read this, read it 3 times for understanding, okay? And then check out what's happening so that you guys can have an understanding of why I'm buying so much, okay? So they can only play the game for so long, okay? They gotta eventually produce results for their clients. Right now, they're shorting all of our stocks, all of our plays, which is okay. Okay, when you've been in the game for a long time, you understand these things. However, you don't complain, you adjust, or you do what we do. When it's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. We don't panic, we pounce, and that's what they're doing. So that's what we're gonna do, pounce all over these plays, buy them up. So when the market is ready to recover, we are making a killing. Guys, please make sure you check out this particular article, but more importantly, look at the exhibit and the chart at how much the outflows are on plays that we are in. Kicking things off with a few plays that I bought on today. Ticker symbol CLF, otherwise known as Cleveland Cliffs, sitting at $20.58. Currently, it was up 1% on the day. I'm currently sitting at what I got, 306 shares of this with an average cost of $20. I'll buy more of this in the 19s, 18s, and 17s, guys. Reason being, this is a play that is bound to do well in this current market, okay? I told you guys that we got to be a little more strategic. It's not just buy all high-risk plays and everything will be okay. Nope. Real investors mean you got to make real decisions. So you got to have a portfolio that's built to withstand the things that's going on. Minimize some of the high risk plays, don't abandon them. I'll never do that, okay? But you don't have to hold all of them because you can swap a couple out for things like this. The next one I got is Viacom, ticker symbol VIAC, sitting at $38.10, okay? Let's see how many shares of this I got. I'm currently sitting at 195 shares of this. I will buy this all the way down to $35, and then I will assess how much further it can drop, then determine how much more I will buy when a bottom is found and or reached, okay? Listen, guys, these are 2 plays that one is a runner, this one, and one is a hedge against what the stock market is doing, okay? So Cleveland Cliffs or any industrial play, it can be Nucor, it can be Caterpillar. Guys, you got so many options to choose from. Don't limit yourself, okay? Yes, I'll present a few plays, but guys, there's plenty plays out there that can do well if you are being strategic. Other plays I bought more of was IDX. Listen, guys, I'm waiting for IDX to hit 230 or below for me to even go more, okay? So right now you just nibble and then you go heavy. Other than that, I got Future FinTech. Again, I'm looking for this to go down to, let me see, I got a limit order set for 315 on this, and then I want to buy more at 250 if it goes that low, okay? I think the bleeding with these type of high risk plays is not over, and so because that's the case, I'm putting limit orders in place. Guys, one thing you might want to do, place some puts, drive down and take advantage of the downward momentum in some of these plays. Make money both ways. Yes, they're gonna come back up. That's inevitable. But as an investor, you buy low. You buy as much as you can, and if you already bought the dip in some of these, then you just put your feet up. And after Future FinTech, BNGO, Listen, same thing. I'm hoping this go to $4.75, really $4 from here, just again to somewhat find a bottom. If it does that and holds, then cool. If it doesn't, then I think from there it might go to $2 before that really bottoms out. Then it start going back up again. But nevertheless, guys, you don't know what the stock market is gonna dish out. You just have to be building out your plays, because when it takes off, you're gonna be up 5 to 10%, 15, 25% in a day. And then you might not even see these prices again. So when it happens, it will happen quick, but just be mindful, stay on top of your A game. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is shorts. Listen, man, we have this article that I want to, again, put back on your radar. Please go look at this as your homework assignment. Go read this. It's featured on Market Watch, but read it 2 or 3 times so you can have a keen understanding of what's going on. But then you can also understand my reasoning and my psychology about why I'm buying up. If the hedge funds, if Wall Street and the suits are targeting our plays, shorting all of our plays, and they're selling, okay, they're driving the price down. That's why you having this, and that's why I'm even calling these prices out for you, okay? If they're doing that, then that means at some point they got to come back into the game. They will have to produce profits for their clientele at some point. Okay, I'm going to buy all of this up now. I'm going to show you how to build wealth. If you guys want to retire early, don't complain about this market. Buy this market, okay? Do what you need to do. At least get you one good play that you put the majority of your money in when the stock bottoms, and ride it up, okay? Because they're shorting it. Here's it go right here. You guys look through this yourself, okay? And then when they come back to the game, these plays will have more volume. We'll start to trend back up. And like I told you, the back half of this year, again, guys, we will be having a lot more fun then than we're having now. So just prepare for it, but understand this is part of the process. This is part of the tuition. This is not an easy street, an easy ride journey, okay? The stock market every year has ebbs and flows. Some of you might not even been in the market this time last year to even see this. This is a repeat of last year. However, you have to know how to navigate, and you have to know how to weather the storm and understand what you experienced maybe in August, September, October of last year, you will this year as well, okay? They can't do this forever. So again, I'll gladly wait them out. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Kevin Koppel. Hey Chris, hoping you can feature this on your next video to share with the fam. I know I took your advice from yesterday's video. I have been very discouraged lately and decided to uninstall my broker app to take a break. I love this. I had to humble myself and accept that it's been affecting my emotional stability as well as my overall production at work because I constantly stared at my app and got overwhelmed. Set up automatic deposits bi-weekly to build up my dry powder, and now I'm going to set it and forget it, and that's okay. Keep doing what you're doing. Kevin, man, I thank you for sharing this with the family. I thank you for sharing this with me, guys. Listen, all day yesterday, I made several videos about mental health, protecting your peace, and teaching you about just mindfulness in this type of market, especially if you are new and or a beginning investor and you don't even know nothing about a correction. You don't even know how long a play can bleed, and you don't even know about this level of the game in terms of the stock market, okay? You're gonna have a bunch of variables at play, from the feds, from inflation, from just stocks being overvalued, from high multiple plays like our plays being targeted. Again, it's a lot to take in if you don't even know that half of this stuff exists. But on the other side of this, guys, you got to protect your peace. You got to make sure you are looking out for your mental health and the best interest for you, okay? And if that requires you to take a step back, do so. I told you yesterday, the stock market isn't going anywhere, nor are your plays. Matter of fact, you take a break, you come back 3 months from now, watch how your plays have recovered a lot of the losses. It's just how the game works, okay? Don't get discouraged. Make sure that you are putting on blockers in terms of what you are receiving in, so that you're not getting discouraged and or distracted by messages that's meant to do you harm, okay? Protect your peace. Make sure you take care of your mental health. Kevin, I thank you for this, man. Much love to you. I hope you see this and do what you need to do. We'll be here waiting for you in return, family. Listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.